Hello everyone, welcome to Mobilemaths with Gamchrai. Today I want us to look at multiplication of matrices. I've got 5 questions that I want us to go through. Okay, so when you are given a matrix multiplication problem, first of all you have to check if the matrix can be multiplied together. You do that, you check these are the rows here, these are the rows, and going down are the columns. These ones are the columns. Okay, so what you do is this: you write the order of the matrix. The first one is a 2 by 2 matrix, which is row by column. I've got 2 rows and 2 columns. Then it's multiplying. The second one has got 2 rows by 1 column. Okay, so where you check is this: if you have same numbers there, I've got 2 here and 2 there, then this ones becomes your answer. Okay, so we are going to have our answer in the form of 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, now let's multiply. Multiplying, you say row by column. We are going to say row, this row will multiply with this column. So that's the first thing that I'll do. So I'll have 3, this 3 here would multiply with the first number there. Okay, so it's 3 times 2. Then I say plus this second 2 is going to multiply with 3 there. Okay, so it's going to be 2 times 3. Okay, then I go down another row there. This row multiplying with this column. The first number multiplies with the first number there. So I have 1 times 2, then plus the second number 4 by the second number on the column 3, like that. So this is what we do. Okay, let's simplify. What do we get? So we get 3 times 2, we get 6, plus 3 times 2, we get 6 again. Then on the bottom there, 1 times 2, we get 2, plus 4 times 3, we get 12. Okay, so adding these 2, we'll get 12 and 14. So this is the final answer of our matrix, this one. Okay, let's use that method for the next matrices. We said we first check the order of the matrix. This one is a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying with a 2 by 2 matrix. So at the center there we have got 2 and 2, so we can multiply, and our answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, let's do our row by column. So this time we've got 2 rows and 2 columns. Let's do that. So this is equal to 4 times 3 plus 1 times 2. That's the first column. This other column, I'll have 4 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Okay, like that. So I'm done with the upper top. Now I go below. 3 times 3 plus 2 times 2. Okay, then the last column, I've got 3 times 1 plus 2 times 1. Okay, like that. Let's simplify. What do we get? Okay, so I will have 12 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 9 plus 4, and 3 plus 2. Okay, let's add those together. We will have 14, 5, 13, 5. Okay, like that. So this is our final answer, and if you check, we have got a 2 by 2 matrix is our answer, as we had done there. Let's do this. It's a 2 by 2 matrix, this one, multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and on the center there we have 2, 2, so we can multiply, and our answer is going to be also a what? Our answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, like that. Let's do the multiplication. So I'm going to do row by this column and this row again by the second column, like that. Okay, let's do that. I've got 3 times 4 plus 1 times 3. Okay, that's the first column. Second one, I've got 3 times 1 plus 1 times 2. Okay, I'm done there. Let's go below. I've got 2 times 4 plus 1 times 3. Okay, then I've got 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2. Okay, at the end there. Let's add those ones together. What do we get? Okay, so I'll have 12 plus 3. Then I'll have 3 plus 2 and 8 plus 3. And here 2 plus 2. Okay, now let's finish off. What do we get? We'll have 15, 5, 11, 4. Okay, so this is our final answer there, and it's a 2 by 2 matrix as we have predicted. Now let's look at question number 4. We do the same. So now, because this one is a 2 by 2 matrix and this one is a 2 by 2 matrix again, I can multiply them together and our answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Let's go down and do that row by column and do that. Okay, so I have 11 times 1 plus 2 times minus 5. Then here 11 times minus 2 plus 2 times 11. Okay, then I have 5 times 1 plus 1 times minus 5. Okay, then the last one I've got 5 times minus 2 plus 1 times 11 there. Okay, let's solve these ones. Okay, solving these ones, I will get the first one. The first one I'll have 11. Then I've got minus 10. Then I've got minus 11 times minus 2, I get minus 22, then plus 22 there. Okay, then the last one I've got 5, then minus 5 again. Okay, then the last one I've got minus 10 plus 11. Okay, like that. Let's add them. I will get 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so we are getting an identity matrix. What it means here is that we had an inverse. This matrix that we are multiplying then, this is the final answer. What it means is that this matrix, this one is its inverse. Okay, so we were multiplying this matrix with its inverse. Okay, that's why we are getting an identity matrix there. Let's look at the last question. Okay, we are doing 2 by 2 matrix, multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we can multiply there and we are going to have our answer as a 2 by 2. Let's do our row by column. Okay, so I'll have, for this one, I'll have 2 by 6 plus minus 1 times 3. Okay, then here 2 by 1 plus minus 1 times 2. Okay, then the last part is minus 3 times 6 plus 6 times 3. Okay, then the last one is minus 3 times 1 plus 6 times 2. Okay, like that. Let's solve that one together. So I'll have, for the first one, 6 times 2, we get 12. Then here we have minus 1 times 3, we get minus 3. Then on this one, here I'll have 2. Then I have minus 2. Then on the bottom there, I'm now here. Okay, I've got minus 3 times 6, I get minus 18. Then plus 18 there. Okay, then the last one, minus 3 plus 12. Okay, let's solve that. 12 minus 3, we get 9. 2 minus 2, we get 0. Minus 18 plus 18 we get 0, then minus 3 plus 12 we get 9 there. Okay, so we are getting this as our answer, and it's a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so this is more like an identity with a scalar of 9 there. We can take out 9 and have 9 1 0 0 9 there. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is our scalar here. Okay, but this is the final answer there. I'm just explaining further. Okay guys, bye bye.